Hi angels, welcome back to my channel wherever you are in the world watching. My girlfriend's in Morocco. I know I seen one of my girlfriends tuning in Morocco a couple of days ago. So hey girl, hey, thank you for joining me wherever you are. And today, this morning, we're going to be talking about this lovely beauty right here, my Coach double-handled tote bag. I love this bag. If you want to hear more about this bag, go ahead, stick with me, hit like and subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in talking about this bag. This is a style that they have been making. I think I started noticing this style when Louis Vuitton's On The Go tote came around. All of the companies ended up doing a double-handled tote, and even if they don't call it a double-handled tote, that's the idea behind it. So basically it has these two long shoulder straps that you can easily go ahead and carry it and put it over your shoulder with. It's a very nice long strap drop, and it's great for work. This bag is so good for me for work with this long strap drop, you guys. Then it has the two smaller handles, hence the name double-handled tote, and it's so easy when you want to go ahead and just carry it as a top handle, especially considering that it's a tote bag. You're going to be carrying around larger, heavier items like notebooks. You can fit a laptop in here. It does have feet and leather at the bottom. So that's what it looks like. And I have a couple of items here that I think will be fun if I go ahead and show you guys what I'm thinking about bringing to work with me. So first of all, the first thing that I absolutely love is the tag, because the tag is a different color. It's so light in like the untreated vachetta leather color. That's the color that they decided to go with for the chambray bags. And it's really nice because it just stands out a lot on your bag, and it's so pretty in that beautiful vachetta leather color. So I have my wristlet here, my large slim wristlet by Coach, and the wristlet has the same type of vachetta leather on the strap. So the wristlet goes with the bag very well because of that untreated leather on the handle. It just looks so nice together. It just looks so nice together. I love carrying these two together. So this is going to go very nicely with my double-handled tote if I decide to bring that with me to work. Next, I have a few fun play items that I thought would be fun in my bag. There's nothing more nice than bringing fun items with you to work, because while you're at work and it's a grueling day and you're trying to get through your day at the office or your day at work, I don't know about you guys, but I need little fun things with me to just keep me engaged in my work. So I picked up this little cute cosmetics case, and it's in blue, and it matches and looks so nice with the Coach denim items. It's going to look so cute with them. So nice with the Coach denim items. And I thought it would be really fun for me to carry, and it's big. It's going to fit a lot of my cosmetics in this Coach double-handled tote in Signature Denim Chambray. So that's going to look really cute together. And then I thought to myself, I don't want to look, I don't like carrying, I like only like maybe one cutesy item in my bag, because too many cutesy items, you don't want your handbag to look kid-like or anything. So even though they're fun, I have a few other little items. I thought about my skinny dip items with a little cute smiley face on it. And I thought about that, and I said, you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and bring this with me as well. So this is by Skinny Dip. I love Skinny Dip. I discovered the Skinny Dip brand when I was in Macy's shopping, and Macy's Backstage and Macy's Inc. has the Skinny Dip brand, and I absolutely love the Skinny Dip brand items. Their bags and their wristlets are so fun and so cute, and their prices are so affordable. So they're a really nice affordable brand, and I just thought that would look really cute together if I decide to carry this cosmetics makeup pouch with me. I thought that would look cute together as well. Okay. And other than that, I figured I would just bring a notebook with me. So I have a Rae Dunn notebook right here, and I think this would look really cute as well. Either the Rae Dunn notebook, or I have another denim notebook right here that looks like blue jean denim. So all these items together would look really nice with this denim double handle tote, and it would be really, really fun to carry these items with me to work. I just think that'll look so cute if I decide to go with this. Now I did bring a few other items in here if I wanted to mix it up and have a little fun and carry a few other items. So let's check those items out. So I think we're gonna move these items aside. And I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna always bring this with this bag because I just like the way it matches up together. The Coach wristlet, I just think that looks so cute with this bag. So I'm gonna always probably bring this with me when I carry this bag. So angels, I'm back with you girls. I had a little bit of a technical difficulty there for a minute, but I'm back because I just wanted to show just a few other items that I might carry with my double handle tote bag. So if I didn't choose to go, you know, with the very fun options of skinny dip, I think I would probably go with this cute blue right here. And I've been in such a bohemian boho vibe since I redid my master bedroom. And this dragonfly was just so pretty for me if you like butterflies or dragonflies. So this blue color out of my cosmetics bags, I think that this would look really, really nice with this blue option for the double handle tote as well. I think it would go with a lot of the blue denim and blue chambray pieces in my handbag. I think that would look really, really cute together as well. So I may go with this as a cosmetics bag. And if I decide to go with this as a cosmetics bag, I would still carry my Coach wristlet, and I probably would go with a Coach notebook by Ray Dunn or my other Coach notebook. And then I probably would carry one of the bee pouches from Amazon just to kind of, you know, match the dragonfly, and I think that would look really, really cute together as well. But yes, you guys, today I wanted to talk about my Coach double handle tote, and it's called the Hudson, and I love the Hudson line of bags that Coach made. Coach has a whole line of bags, and a lot of them are in the men's lines. This double handle tote was from the men's collection or from the men's line, but it's a unisex bag. Girls, women can carry it as well. I love this bag. It's a great bag for work. It can hold so much. Let me go ahead and show you guys what the interior looks like. So this is my lovely interior right here. This is what the interior looks like, and it can hold a lot. And you do have a side pocket in there on both sides. You have two side pockets and one side pocket, and it would be able to hold all of these. So let me go ahead and put this makeup case in here. Let me put the notebook in there. As well as, like I said, this can carry a lot of items. Coach really did a great job with their Signature Chambray and their denim line, their denim pieces. The Coach Dempsey tote in denim is very nice. A lot of their denim bags are so nice. I'm going to go ahead and put this denim pencil case, and I think I ordered this from Amazon in there as well. So there's a lot of nice items that I can carry in here for work and make this bag useful for me. One thing I will say about this denim tote is, now, you have to know I really like this bag because this is a north-south tote bag. North-south, you know, it's long. It's an elongated tote bag, which is a north-south tote bag. I tend to like east-west tote bags better for work. I just tend to like east-west tote bags better because they're wider and you get more space and you can carry more. The north-south tote bags, to me, just tend to tip over a little bit more because they're so tall, as well as it's a little bit harder to get down in there with your hands and to see everything in there because it's just so tall. Whereas east-west tote bag, which I prefer, is fatter and wider and you can get down in there better. I actually have an east-west tote bag right here. This is a Marc Jacobs east-west tote bag, the Freya. This is the Marc Jacobs Freya. And as a matter of fact, let's see if I can get it out. So this is an east-west tote bag, the Marc Jacobs Freya, and you see how it is wider. The style of this bag is wider anyway, but it is a wider tote bag. The north-south tote bags tend to be taller, and I tend to like the north-south tote bags better. That's just my preference. For me to like this denim chambray double handle tote, you gotta know I really do like this bag because it's not my normal style of tote bag. So I hope you girls enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos on Coach. This was so much fun to do. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you girls in my next video. Bye!